Hello everyone. In this chapter relation and function, we have already discussed the concept of relation. And today we are going to study about function, the concept of function, what is relation between a Cartesian product, relations and functions. Let's take a recap what we have discussed in relation. As you know, the Cartesian product of two sets is, suppose set A is here and B is here. This point we have discussed in the earlier video. Suppose A contains A, B, C and B contains X, Y, Z, W. Then the Cartesian product is A with all, B with all, C with all. So this is how Cartesian product is defined. But relation is not necessary that each element of A associate with every element of B. In relation what we have defined is a subset of this. Means suppose A and B is here and A contains element A, B, C, B contains X, Y, Z, W. So few members of A may associate with few members of B. What do you call this relation? So there are many relations we can define, not only this. This is another relation we can define on the same set, A and B. So simply A, B, C, X, Y, Z, W. So I can have, this is also relations. So how many relations we can define, that we have discussed. Suppose n of A is 3 and n of B is 4. So number of relations we can define on set A to B. What we call that relation from set A to B. So relation R from set A to B is, what is this product? Number of element in A cross B, 12. So 2 raised to 12 relations can be defined. So in short, in relation, some or all elements of set A may associate with some or all elements of set B. So Cartesian product itself one of the relation, isn't it? So if all the elements of set A associated with all the elements of set B, then only it is a relation. Or few elements of set A associated with few elements of set B, that is also another relation. Suppose no association of any element with set of any element in set B, this is an empty relation, that is also relation. So this is a relation what we have studied in the earlier section. Now what is a function? Because the relation we have already defined. It associates some members of set A to some members of B. So function is also relation. A relation is said to be a function if it satisfies certain conditions, certain rule. In that case, we used to say that relation is a function. Look at here. I have a set A which is a non-empty, which contains 1, 2, 3. Set B which are having members 2, 4, 6 and 8. Now what happened? Image of 1 is 2, so 1 is associated with 2. Image of 2 is 4, so 2 and 4 are associated. Image of 3 is 6. Can we say this is a relation? Yes. For the relation, we have a criteria, some or all elements of set A associated with some or all elements of set B. So it is a relation. Or in other words, relation is a subset of Cartesian product. So it satisfies the condition of relation. So this is a relation. But it is not just a relation. It is more than that. And what is that more than that? The condition. If you observe this set A, we will find the image of 1. You will find the image of 2. You will find the image of 3. Means you are getting image for each of the element of set A. Secondly, so 1 is having only one image, 2 is having only one image, 3 is having only image. On other hand, look at here. This is another case, set A and set B. So here 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Now if I associate 1 with 2, 2 with 4. Another case where A and B, same set A and B, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 6 and 8. So I will associate 1 with 2, 2 with 4, 3 with 6 and 3 with 8. Now we'll compare all these things. What is the difference in these two and this? Here we can find every element of set A has an image in B. First thing. Secondly, each of the element has unique image in B, isn't it? So that does not happen in this case. In this case 3 does not have image, and in this case 3 has more than one images. So we'll define this when we say that the relation is function, a relation. Now we are taking this as a function, so instead of R we will write F. Relation F from a set A to B is said to be function. And what are those conditions? Two conditions I have told you before. Every element of set A has a unique image in set B. If every element of set A has one and only one image in set B. So each element has image and the image is 1. So by that criteria, can we say this is an example of function? Do the every element has image? 1 has image, 2 has image, but 3 does not have any image. So this is not a function. What about this example? In this example, each of the element is having image, but 3 have 2 images. The image of 3 is 6 as well as 8. So because of that, this relation also fails to be a function. So these are the relations but not function. So this is a relation which is function, which satisfy these criteria. That now instead of a notation of relation, I can assign a notation of function. So here this is a function f from set A to set B. The function also can be written in the form of set. F is a function. How is the function? Look at here. Image of 1 is 2. So image of 1 is 2. Image of 2 is 4. So 2 is 4. So 3 is associated with 6. So what do we call this? This is a function in set form. So we have few examples over here. We have to verify whether the given relations are function or not. So what we will do, we will apply the definition, as well as for simplicity we can draw the arrow diagram. So here, what are the elements in the domain? 2, 3 and 4. First members are the members from domain 2, 3, 4. And what are the members in the range? So 1, 1 and 2. So means only 1 and 2. Image of 2 is, what is the image of 2 as per this relation? 2 is having image 1, 3 is having image 1 and 4 is having image 2. As per the definition, is it a relation? This relation is a function or not? What is the definition or criteria for function? Every element should have image. 2 का image है, 3 का image है, 4 का image है. Second criteria is every element should have unique image. 2 का कितना image है? 1. 3 का एक image 1. 4 का image 2. Means हर elements का unique image is exist in the second set. लेकिन आप बोलोगे कि यहाँ पे 2 का और 3 का सेम इमेज है. वी डोंट हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम. दो एलिमेंट का अगर कॉमन इमेज आता है, इन दैट केस ऑल्सो इट इज फंक्शन. सिर्फ प्रॉब्लम क्या है, एक एलिमेंट के दो इमेजेस नहीं चाहिए. दैट शुड नॉट बी देयर. सो इन दैट केस इट वुड नॉट बी अ फंक्शन. सो दो एलिमेंट का एक इमेज होगा, सो नो प्रॉब्लम, इट वुड बी अ फंक्शन. सो it is a function. What about this second example? Look at what are the elements in domain? 2, 2, 3, 4. So means we will not repeat it. 2, 3 and 4. So what are the elements in second set? Range 2, 4, 3, 4. Means overall 2, 3 and 4. So we'll try to pair this. Image of 2 is 2. So 2 associated with 2. Image of 2 is 4. So 2 is associated with 4. Image of 3 is 3. Okay, no problem. 4 is 4. Okay. Now check whether this relation satisfy the condition of function or not. हर एलिमेंट का इमेज है. हाँ, 2 का इमेज मिल रहा है, 3 का इमेज मिल रहा है, 4 का इमेज मिल रहा है. सो एवरी एलिमेंट के लिए इमेज तो है हमारे पास. लेकिन दूसरा क्राइटेरिया, क्या हर एलिमेंट के लिए एक ही इमेज है? विल चेक वन बाय वन. सो व्हाट इज द इमेज ऑफ 2? 2 का इमेज एक तो मिल रहा है 2, एक और इमेज है उसके लिए, सो दैट इज 4. सो 2 एसोसिएटेड विथ 2 एज वेल एज 2 एसोसिएटेड विथ 4. मीन्स एक एलिमेंट के दो इमेजेस यहाँ पे हैं. So that does not fit in the criteria of function. So this relation, because of 2 is having image 2 as well as 4, so this is not a function. Many images नहीं चाहिए हमें, unique image चाहिए. हर element का image चाहिए लेकिन एक image चाहिए. What about this third part? Third example. Again we'll draw. So here 2, 3 and 4. Again, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we'll adjust here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. I'll increase this set up to 6. And what are the elements? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, so we'll consider this set A, set B. 1 is associated with 2. Look at here, 1 associated with 2, 2 associated with 3, 3 with 4, 4 with 5, 5 with 6 and 6 with 7. So every element in set A has an image or there exists unique image. So this is also a relation. So first is the case which is a relation is a function. Second, this relation is not a function. And third relation is function because it satisfies the criteria of function.